Tired of those overly simplified mobile websites on your iPhone that hide all the good stuff? I'm here to show you how to break free and force websites to show you their full desktop glory. First, let's launch Safari. It's the little compass icon, usually down on your dock or somewhere on your home screens. Give it a tap. Now, head over to the website that's giving you mobile version blues. For this example, I'm using YouTube. Notice how simplified the layout is. Look at the top left corner of your screen, where the website address is displayed. You should see a little icon that looks like two letter A's, one smaller than the other. Tap on that. A menu will pop down. In this menu, you'll find several options. Look for the one that says Request Desktop Website Now. Tap on it. Bam! Just like that, the website should reload, but this time in its full desktop version. You should see a much wider layout, more options, and all the features you were missing before. Alternatively, some sites will allow you to request desktop versions. If you click the three dots at the top or bottom of the browser, this will take you to a settings page where you will find the option to request desktop site. You can even set Safari to automatically request desktop versions of all websites. To do this, open your iPhone settings app. Scroll down until you find Safari. The icon is a blue compass. Tap on Safari to open its settings. Scroll down again until you see Request Desktop Website. Tap on it, then enable the toggle next to All Websites. Now, every website you visit in Safari will automatically load in its desktop version. There you have it. Now you can enjoy all the features and functionality of desktop websites right on your iPhone. Happy browsing.